What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. In this video, we will discuss the 12 mandatory things one shall do before applying for Google AdSense to get approval quickly. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. Add mandatory pages to your site. For every website, it is mandatory to have certain pages to fulfill the Google AdSense policy criteria. First is the About Us page, where we provide the information on what services our website provides to the customer. Second is the Contact Us page, where we provide a contact form, email address, or phone number so that the customer can connect with us. Third is the Disclaimer page, which protects us from any legal liability. And last is the Privacy Policy page, which outlines how our site collects and uses customers' information. Now, for disclaimer and privacy policy, online generators are available, as you can see here. You can find the link in description. You can refer these tools to generate your page content, but one should not prefer this as it may lead to plagiarism. Either you can write your own disclaimer and privacy policy, or you can generate it online and then modify to avoid plagiarism. Content quality. For every blog, content quality is very important. There are few points you should keep in mind while writing your content. It should be original and unique. It should have proper and user-friendly navigation. It should be easily readable and understandable. And it should provide customer a valuable experience. Now, one important note. You should have at least 20 to 25 posts on your blog, with each post containing 500 words. Traffic on your site. Website or blog traffic is an important aspect that you should not miss out. Creating an amazing website or blog is not enough unless you get the correct amount of traffic on it. Traffic refers to the number of visitors you get and the number of pages they visit on your website. It is important to rank your website to get high traffic on your blog and website. And all this depends on the SEO of your site. Check plagiarism. Plagiarism is copying someone's content and selling it as your original work. Do not share any copied content on your site. The content should be unique to avoid any copyright conflicts. To check this, you can use online plagiarism checker. If you search on Google, it will give you multiple options. People usually go to the site on the top, but the fact is that many of these online checker doesn't work properly, so it won't give you correct or accurate results. There are two sites that you can trust and rely on to check plagiarism, as shown: Qtext and Grammarly. You can find the link in description. An important note: before trusting any tool, check it once with the content already present on the internet. Then choose the one that gives you near accurate results. Add meta tags. Meta tags are the descriptors that provide the metadata of your site. Basically, it helps search engines know about what your site is all about. For this also, online tools are available that can help you generate meta tags. I have showed you one sample tool, SEOoptimo.com. You can just provide the details and it will generate your tag. Then you can copy and paste your tag in the HTML of your page. You can check the link for this tool in the description. Check site speed. We as customers prefer websites that are fast and doesn't take long enough to load. So make sure you check whether your website speed is fast or not. There are online tools that you can refer, like gtmetrics.com. It will analyze your site speed and performance and rate your website accordingly. Update permalink. Permalink is basically the URL of your page or blog. It includes both domain name and slug. Slug is the part of the URL that comes after domain. the name, category, or any text that is added after the domain. Both Blogger and WordPress provides some permalink by default, but make sure you update it and add your page or blog title in it. Under Blogger, you need to add it manually in every blog post. In WordPress, you can change it under settings and it will be updated for all the blog posts you have. Check title strength. Title is what attracts our audience. So always check your title strength to make sure it's heavy, catchy, and apt to seek customer attention and for search engines to rank it on Google. CoSchedule Analyzer is one of the tools to check your blog title. You can find the link in description. Add sitemap. Sitemap is a list that includes the pages of a website. Consider it as a file that provides information to search engines about what pages, images, videos are present on your site and how it's linked, so that Google can crawl your website automatically. For Blogger users, you can visit labnol.org to generate your sitemap. Link is provided in the description. Now, to add your sitemap, go to Blogger, go to Settings. Under Settings, go to Search Appearance and click on customrobots.txt. Here you need to copy paste the sitemap data generated for your site. In this case, if you open Google Search Console and check, you will see the sitemap is automatically added. For WordPress users, install a plugin named as Google XML Sitemaps. Once you activate it, it will automatically generate the sitemap. Just copy paste the URL to Google Search Console and your sitemap will be added successfully. Add your site in Google Search Console. If you have not added your site in Google Search Console, you won't be able to perform the previous step. This is an important step to index your site on Google. Add your site using domain or URL and verify using one of the methods. If it gives you some authentication code, you need to copy that code in your site's head section and it will be verified. Google Search Console also helps in monitoring and troubleshooting your site for free. Create property in Google Analytics. If you want to do an in-depth analysis of your visitors for free, you can create a property, that is, add your site to Google Analytics, add the tracking code to your website, and check your site's insight. If you have any doubt in this area and want a detailed explanation, let me know in the comment section. Add your site to Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a free way of earning money by placing ads on your website. For this, you need to add your site to Google AdSense. For Blogger users, you have to sign up directly from Blogger. Once your blog is qualified for AdSense, there is no other option. For WordPress users, you have to sign up on Google AdSense and add your site manually and then send it for approval. Now you are all set. Once you get the AdSense approval, you can start earning by placing ads on your website. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, do write me down in the comment section. Thank you.